Welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Net Tech. Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you is a Powerology universal adapter that you can use anywhere in the world. It has all kind of adapters and C cable, USB-C and everything. So I will unbox today the box of Powerology adapter. So I will show you the box how it is look like. See, only this brand go to on Powerology. There is a so many competitors. It has anchor and other thing also, but from my side I like this Powerology adapter from this company, which is a give you the good fast charge and all the ports, USB, USB-Cs and all universal adapters and everything. So see the box looks like. So I'm going to open the box. Let's see what is inside. So look, this is the adapter which you can use anywhere. See, first adapter is EU adapter, which is normally okay, and second you will get a EU adapter. Second is a UK adapter. This one. So you see there is a USB-C, USB, USB 2.4, 1, 2, 3, 3 port for USB and one for USB-C to USB-C. If iPhone user or any phone has a USB-C to C charger, they also support. So all in one, UCC, EU charger, UK, USA, Australia, everywhere. This is the descriptions: 100 to 40 volt, 50, 60, 1000 mAh. This is the output and input informations about this product. This product, if you buy, just go with Powerology, because there is a lot of similar product in the market, but I think this is the Powerology is the best one, and the good review about this one, and it's nice. See, this button is a so about this button is a it's like lock. So you do this one, okay. Now it's lock. It's not going back. So what you have to do is push this one, okay. Hold it, go back, then go back again, okay. Not going back again. Push it, hold it, go back. Another one, same thing. Push it, go back. So this is the way of this push and hold button. Here you can plug anywhere, any adapter on that one. So you can use any other laptop or anything through this one. This is also multi-use purpose. So that's it from my side, guys. And this is around 30 less than $35 on the market. It's different prices and different countries, but this is the best travel adapter in, I think, from my side. That is a good review I heard and I see in Google and everywhere. It's available in Amazon, and I for more description how to buy and where is available, just go to my bio and just check it. You will get the link how to buy, from where you buy and everything. So guys, please keep follow and subscribe my channel for same thing, new technologies and new products